getting outside today. Hello? Hello? Is it 305? 350.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready for it?
Yes. Runs nice. Rod knob. Is it a Rochester 2-barrel? Or a Holly? Oh, nice. Thanks for making it this far in the video. Just a quick one here. Someone I work with, tree guy obviously, and he said I could make a video of him with his chipper. And he put a Chevrolet V8 in his wood chipper, or shredder. He's having a little bit of problem here. This is birch hardwood, so the feed is not working well for him, and I think you'll maybe hear it a bit. It's a little bit of belt slipping and stuff like that. So I mean, obviously it's an old chipper, but working good for him. And he feeds his family with this chipper. Well, not literally, but while using it. But yeah, so enjoy the video. Keep watching. Hopefully I didn't blow out your eardrums with it. But, and another apology, 2 in 1 video. Just trying to mess with the white balance here. On my screen, I couldn't see the feed, and I was just trying to play with the white balance just so you could see what's going on in there. But thanks for watching. While you're here, consider liking and subscribing this video, and consider leaving a comment. I love to respond to comments, especially love them if you never uploaded a video or even have a profile picture. I love reading those comments, but seriously, but yeah, so keep watching, and thanks for watching. Take care.